اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد كما صليت على إبراهيم وعلى آل إبراهيم إنك حميد مجيد.
These people. It's too late. Keep going.
Who is that?
Try to sleep, Hugo. Do that for me.
No.
Don't look. Keep your eyes closed.
Amicia, what happened?
It's... the rats. They attacked.
No. No.
We're leaving, Hugo.
I'm sorry.
It's like my nightmare. It's because of me.
Calm down, please.
No. It's my fault.
No. Dreams are dreams, all right? I'll give you something on the boat. It will calm you down.
No. I wanted to stop for real.
I'm sorry.
I wanted to stop Amicia.
It will. In Marseille, they'll help you.
It's not true. You keep saying that. But you're lying. Lying.
Hugo, please calm down. You have the right to be sad and angry. But I won't let you down. You know it.
We'll find a way. We will.
Are you all right? I thought you were...
We're all unharmed, Lucas.
Come aboard, quick!
It's only us. Magister Vaudin.
I see. Let's not waste time then. I heard the same thing happened in Guyenne. The rats. The bite that poisons your blood. It seemed far from us.
But, wait.
Hey, you were dreaming.
Are we there?
No, but it shouldn't be long.
Hey. Don't look at that.
Why not? Try make them go away. It won't undo it.
Hugo, you were having a seizure.
Don't want to go to Marseille. More people will die. You know it.
Mother wants you to...
No! The island! It's where I must go. It's where I will be fixed, Amicia. We can find it, please. Nobody listens. I told Mother I felt unwell, but the Magister shushed me. He said it was part of the test. Mother and the Magister, they think they know, but they don't. And people die because of me.
Hey. I know. I will do what's good for you. I will.
Lucas, go see the captain with Hugo.
Sure.
He will show you how to pilot the boat.
I'll ask him if he could teach us sailors knots. And maybe he'll let us steer.
Yes.
We need to get him to safety, Amicia.
You want to lock him away again. It's not the same thing.
You've seen what happens. The Order has people and equipment. They know how to handle this.
This happened because of what you and this Vonda did to Hugo. Mother, shutting him away and keeping up with this torture will kill him. He's a child. He's a victim of all this too.
He's my child. We are not enemies, Amicia. I know you love Hugo dearly, and I know you two share a bond that I cannot truly understand. But you need to open your eyes. What happened back there will happen again.
You're right. You just don't understand.
The debris! It's all piled up here!
I'm going to take a look.
I think I see the problem.
We'll take care of it together.
All right, kids. I'll let you handle this.
Hey, you can go back inside if you want.
No, it's all right.
I won't let you down. I told you. For now, we'll get that boat moving. But it's not over yet.
Yes. Go on.
Thank you.
Look, there's a lot of debris stuck under the hull. Do we pull it out?
That would take too long. Maybe we can just push it?
Well, let's try.
Ready?
Yes.
Then push!
You'll have to catch up!
What?
Amicia! Follow up!
We'll wait for you downstream!
Come on, let's find a way around.
Well, I hope Joseph will find a way to stop.
So many dead. They didn't deserve this.
It's a tragedy. I never thought that...
It's too late for that. But this island, Hugo says it will fix all this. So it will.
How?
The question is where? We have to find it.
What about your mother?
I don't care. But you will have to pick a side.
She's... my Magistra.
A passage, here. Through here. Here's the river. There they are.
Goodness. It's even worse from above.
That smell is terrible. What's that? Oh no. No, no, no.
What the hell?
It's them!
They're already here!
We're safe, I think.
That was really close.
Are you all right?
Yes! Don't worry!
She's fine, Hugo. Look, they're both fine.
Yes, but the rats!
We know how to do it! We're coming!
Well, where do we start?
There are braziers on the other side. That bale of hay, look, come on, run! Oh, all right, that's a first step.
We're surrounded.
There has to be a way. Those cranes.
Yes. If they can move rubble around, then... And this one has a crank.
We should give it a try.
It won't hold. There must be a counterweight. I can deal with the crane, while you handle the sling.
All right, I'll cross.
Good luck.
Lucas, that's a job for you.
Agreed.
You saw that hole. What they're capable of now.
They tore down an entire city.
It will happen again if we keep ignoring Hugo's feelings. He won't be enough.
Amicia, the fire is going out. Light up the hay bale again, quick!
Lucas, a stupefaccio, please.
Sure. Get ready. We don't have much time. The next crane is quite far. We'll need a big fire.
Lucas, that's up to you.
Fine.
Take care of it, Lucas.
I can't...
Lucas, that's a job for you.
I'm stuck.
It's in your hands, Lucas.
I can't reach it.
Take care of it, Lucas.
Sorry, but I can't get there.
Lucas, that's a job for you.
Straight away. Amicia!
Lucas, that's up to you.
Agreed.
You can let go.
Immediate.
Take care of it, Lucas.
Straight away. It's working. The hay's moving.
Yes, this could allow us to cross. You saw that hole. What they're capable of now.
They tore down an entire city.
It will happen again if we keep ignoring Hugo's feelings. Hay won't be enough. Yes!
Brilliant!
We're getting there! There's another crane! I think I can help you across!
Yes! Try to move that hay bale towards me. I'll be able to light it.
It's coming! All this mess just to get to Marseille!
It'll still be worth it.
It's not! And Hugo doesn't believe in it anymore!
Yes, I can understand why he'd feel that way.
I'm there!
Hold it there.
I am!
Here I come.
Let's keep moving!
Amicia!
We're on our way, Hugo! He's still scared. I have to get to him quickly.
Your mother's there.
She's lost, Lucas, and he knows it.
Well, let's get you back on that boat quickly. We'll use that crane again.
Yes. It's in your hands, Lucas.
Agreed. Amicia, you should tell me what's on your mind.
About what?
That island. I know you.
I told you. You have to pick a side.
Done. Tell me when to let go.
Now! I'm going! Come on, move it! What? No, Lucas, what do I do?
Catch this. Strike the ground with it. Go to those stairs.
What is this?
Hurry. It won't last long.
Back! Get back! They don't like it! What was that?
Pyrite. A mineral. I just grabbed some on the way.
Well, it saved my life! Thank you!
I expected sparks, but not this.
I'll need more!
Keep an eye out for it.
All right, my turn to get you across. All right, seems to go all the way around. Hang on, Lucas!
Take your time. Please let him climb up here.
Yes! crane moves that hay bale. It might be useful. Come on, come on, come on! Leave it!
Well done. See anything that can get me to you?
This'll do nicely.
Yes! Nice throw!
Nice catch!
All right, my turn. Goodness.
You can make it! Just keep running!
Yes! They're just rats, huh? I know rats. Yes. So what am I waiting for? Go! Go! Yeah!
Run! Don't think!
Not thinking! Ah!
Yes! You run pretty fast!
Thanks. There's nothing like good motivation. I'm stuck. This thing is locked.
I'll take care of it! Now we've got another hay bale here! I light it up, we run!
All right.
Stay warm! There! It's ready!
Now.
Come on! Come on!
Ah! Now.
We did it! I like your battle cry, by the way.
Thank you. helps me build up speed, I suppose.
We're close. Breathe.
I'm trying.
Good. We're almost there.
Let's hope Marseille is different.
Once the Order gets their hands on him, it'll be too late.
Amicia, they can't all be like Baudin.
We can't take the chance to see if you're right. Seems to go all the way around. Hang on, Lucas!
Take your time! As long as they don't climb up here.
Yes! Come on, come on, come on! Leave it!
Well done! See anything that can get me to you?
This'll do nicely.
Yes! Nice throw!
Nice catch!
All right, my turn. Goodness.
You can make it! Just keep running!
Yes! They're just rats, huh? I know rats. Yes. So what am I waiting for? Go! Go! Yeah!
Run! Don't think!
Not thinking! Ah!
Yes! You run pretty fast!
Thanks. There's nothing like good motivation. I'm stuck. This thing is locked.
I'll take care of it! Now we've got another hay bale here! I light it up, we run!
All right.
Stay warm!
Now.
Come on, come on!
Ah!
We did it! I like your battle cry, by the way.
Thank you. It helps me build up speed, I suppose.
We're close. Breathe.
I'm trying.
Good. We're almost there.
Let's hope Marseille is different.
Once the Order gets their hands on him, it'll be too late.
Amicia, they can't all be like Baudin.
We can't take the chance to see if you're right. You know me, come on! I always make it back!
I told him as much. Still, it's good to see you both safe.
Sorry to interrupt, but we should move on. And there's a damn chain blocking us.
We'll take care of it! Lucas, I need you to take care of this.
Of course. It controls a ferry.
We don't need a ferry. We need that chain loose.
There's nothing on our side.
Stuck! Maybe on the other side. The ferry could take me there.
It's a bloody mess under that pontoon. There must be something jamming the chain!
How do we get down there?
We'll find a way. It's rusty! Or something! Maybe on the other side. The ferry could take me there. Lucas, that's your job.
Very well.
It's on a slope, it won't hold.
I think that cart is in the way, Amicia. So, is there a passage?
There's a hole. I'm going in.
Be careful.
Oh, Lord. Oh.
Are you all right?
I'm fine.
There's dead people everywhere! Get out!
No! It's going to be all right. Forgive me. No. Please, no. I'm sorry. I have to do it. Please, forgive me. I must do this. It's done. Give it a try.
You did it! I'm getting the ferry to you!
Yes, please. On my way.
It must have been horrible!
Yes.
You're all right. Ready?
I need air.
Take your time. Tell me when you're ready.
I'm sorry, Amicia. I'm scared.
Don't be. It's not your fault.
You'll be all right in Marseille, Hugo.
I don't want to go to the Order.
Magister Vaudin was not a nice man, I know. But this will be different.
His island, Mother.
Not now, Amicia.
Fine. All right. One way or another, that chain has to go.
See anything?
I'm looking. There has to be something here. Got you! Ah! Ah!
No!
Are you hurt?
What the hell?
Answer!
I'm fine! Just almost got crushed.
How will she get back?
Right, the chain's gone, but so are the pontoons. I'll dock at the bridge's floodgates.
Lucas, can you make it there?
I'll find a way.
All right, I'm on my way.
Be careful!
Stay safe!
Yes, yes. I don't care about being safe. This is all about Hugo, Mother. I know you don't trust me, but just listen to him. Calm down. Focus. Lord, how do I cross that thing? Yet another mess. Calm down. You're troubled. And you know why. The island. Oh, you'll figure it out later. Stay focused. Good. That's a step.
Lucas! Where are you?
Mother! Is Lucas still not with you?
No! We've lost sight of him!
How? What is he doing? Still too high. I'll need a cart again. I should be able to get back now.
Where are you?
Come on, you can do this. It's just another thorn in your side. Come here. I need you. That should work.
Lucas!
Let's go. Ha! Good. Find an island. Ugh, how are you going to do that? Maybe ask Joseph. Discreetly. What the hell?
Oh no, Theranos man!
Leave him alone!
Just aim and shoot. Use the crank handle to reload.
All right.
Let
How
me
you
go!
like that?
Let me go!
Lucas, are you all right?
I'm shaking like hell. Thank you. There's too many rats. I can't get to you.
Amicia, clear a path for him.
How?
Place an ignifer on the tip of your bolts. Fire them into anything wooden. It will keep the bolts burning.
Sure. Lucas, I'll tell you when the way is clear.
Got it. That will do! I can almost see a way through!
Done! You can come!
Yes! Brilliant! On my way!
Are you alright?
Yes, I think my blood is frozen. But thank you for not missing. They were from the same group as in the arena, Amicia.
What happened in the arena? And who's this Arno?
He's a big problem you have now. We must leave.
So here's the famous girl with the sling. But it seems you're pretty versatile when it comes to killing my men.
Let's go! Now!
Yeah. Try that. This is bad!
What's going on?
What did you do to them?
I just defended myself!
Amicia, come inside with us!
No! Someone has to cover Joseph!
Don't be foolish!
Don't worry about me!
Keep them off my back!
You just died!
On the right!
On it!
You heard Arno! Stop this thing now!
Who's next?
We need to...
Damn you! We've got to get away from here!
Yeah! They blocked us! Set that cart on fire! Use your firebolts to burn that thing! You're not going anywhere! More are coming!
Burn! Burn, goddammit! It's taking too long!
We're off!
Yes!
Amicia, come here!
Yes, enough, mother! I never asked for this, but I'll let this on a king if I must. Yes, come. You'll get what you deserve. I never asked for this, but I'll let this on a king if I must. Yes, come. You'll get what you deserve. Here we go. How do you like that?
No! This is mad! More on the right! The wall is sending everything he's got! Stop that damn wall!
I never asked for this, but I'll end this on a pig if I must.
You'll get them in the bridge! Tell them that they're coming!
Do that. Tell them they're already dead.
Ready! Aye! Fire! That bridge is grounded!
They're an army. Bloody hell, all of you. That's for me and my brother and all the others.
That was all impressive, but you
getting stronger!
Focus on the bar and leave them to me!
You're doing good, lady! That crossbow was made for you!
No!
What's going on?
Joseph's dead! Get back inside! Protect Hugo!
Come inside!
They got us! I must free the boat!
Enough! They'll kill you!
Oh, they'll die first! Go back inside unless you want to fight! You stay away from my family! Stay back! I'll kill the lot of you!
Attack! Focus on the girl! We'll get the rest later!
You think you have every right, huh?
Push forward! She's alone!
Where's your leader? Where's this Arno? Come face me!
Get on that boat!
You stay away from my family!
She's cornered! Get her!
Get to cover, quick!
Attack! Focus on the girl! We'll get the rest later!
You think you have every right, huh?
Get her! She's alone! Get on that boat!
You stay away from my family!
She's cornered! Get her! Attack!
They're coming. Get to cover, quick!
We'll get the rest later!
You think you have every right, huh?
Push forward! She's alone!
Where's your leader? Where's this Arno? Come face me!
Get on that boat!
You stay away from my family!
She's cornered! Attack! Get her! Focus on
They're
the
coming. Get to cover, quick!
later!
You think you have every right, huh?
Push forward! She's alone!
Where's your leader? Where's this Arno? Come face me!
Get on that boat!
You stay away from my family!
She's cornered! Attack! Get her! Focus on the girl!
They're coming. Get to cover, quick! You think you have every right, huh?
Push forward! She's alone!
Where's your leader? Where's this Arno? Come face me!
She's just one crazy girl!
Yes! Come! See what happens!
You sweetie!
Can't slow down. Take care of him!
not that easy. So what will you do now?
No!
I'm here. Now show me how you fight a fully armored warrior. Why?
Come on, Panic! Run!
I came for you,
The boat!
just like you
Lose him.
asked.
Come back for the ropes!
Look at you. So unprepared. You're good at killing, I'll give you that. But what now?
No! Keep moving.
If you kill, be ready to be killed. It's only fair, no?
Don't panic. Stop shaking. Don't let him get to you. Go back. You can still do this. The boat. Yes.
Ha! Enjoying the view.
No! No! Go to hell!
What's the matter? I thought you wanted to die.
Ah!
That's it. Bury yourself. It's just like you. I'll catch you anyway.
You're safe. For now.
Go in here.
Breathe.
See if you can find her. Where are you going? To take care of her family. Bring her out.
Make this quick now. Come out. I won't hurt you. Promise.
Need to get to the boat before him. Move damn quick. Don't let him do something now.
They went under there. I'll handle it. I got him. This way. They hid just behind that.
No!
Don't let them escape.
Quick, run! I'm too far away. No, if you touch them, Hugo, Lucas, faster!
Get her!
Stop right there!
Oh, so we're done playing?
I'll give you a game.
Amicia, no!
Stay where you are or you're next.
We must help her!
Last lesson. If you want to be reckless, be better than that.
Hugo!
Look at that! Reinforcements!
Calm down. They're gone.
You won't die, will you?
No.
Come back! We did it first time! What are you doing? Amicia! Amicia, what are you doing? What are you doing?
How about we go out to sea? Just the two of us. Let's go find your island.
They don't know how to pilot a boat. Mummy and Lucas.
Oh. They're all right, Hugo. They're the smartest people I know.
It's bleeding again.
Yes, we should fix that before it gets infected, I guess.
There's water over there.
Yes. Is it your island?
Yes. These look like teeth. It's a two-teeth island.
You know, I think I saw it on a painting in Vaudin's laboratory.
So it's really real. It's done.
Already? Nice. Thank you. You're good at this.
I tried not to hurt you.
You're good at this. Now come on, sir. We need to find your island.
Yes,